about to show you how I've taken this website with nothing on it to this streaming website with our channel, with our live stream ready to go, with our chat room and everything. And I'm also showing you the OBS integration part. So the first thing I want to have is a WordPress website, of course. There are plenty of videos on how to get a WordPress website, but if you have one, perfect. I'm going to go to Appearance and then click on Add Theme. And from here, we want to look up the Hello WpStream theme. So this is the theme that was specifically created by the WpStream plugin to just make your streaming site a bit more streaming-ish. So if you want to create your streaming website, this is the theme that you need. So I've installed and activated the Hello WpStream theme. It's free and it has 5 different demos as well that are all free. So whatever you do, you don't need any coding experience. You can just install those free demos and the free theme. Now I want to install the required plugins, so I'm just doing that all at once by bulk selecting all of them. And I also want to activate these plugins. So this is because I want to import the demos, and in order for me to do that, I want to have the import demo data option under Appearance. So that's what I'm doing now. So here is my theme, and here are the 5 demos that I have. So the main demo, the esports demo, 2 church demos, and a live shopping demo. So there are videos on our channel on how to install every single one of those for free. And I want to use the esports demo for this specific video. So this demo looks kind of like YouTube. So yeah, let's click on continue. And this will take about a minute or so, maybe even less than that. And now that's ready, if you remember how our site looked like in the beginning, this is how it looks like now in just a couple of minutes. So what it was like 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes. So all you have to do now is basically replace the images, the content, videos, previews, tutorials, things like that. So everything is already there. You have your template, and all you just have to do is replace the content. So let me show you how to actually go live. So I'm doing this with OBS Studio, but the first thing I need to do is log in to my WpStream account from my site. So if you don't already have an account, go to wpstream.net and you can create an account from there, and then log in to connect your channel to connect your account to your website. Now let's go to all channels, and you'll see that you already have a bunch of pay-per-view channels and free-to-view channels. So these channels came with the demo when you install the demo. So you can either just replace the content, like I said earlier, or alternatively delete these and create your own. So I'm just going to use an existing channel. And I'm adding some free images because I don't have those over here, and I just want to show you how it works. There is a video trailer already, a video preview, so that's when you hover over the thumbnail and there's a small video that plays. Your featured image, of course, movie ratings, categories, actors. You can add some tags. So let me just add a tag or 2. Categories. And once I'm happy with all these changes, make sure you click on update so that you can actually save the changes. Now we have the section right here where you can turn on your channel. So that's what I'm doing first. So I'm turning on my channel. This will take, once again, about a minute. And once we've done that, we want to click on go live with a streaming app, and that's OBS Studio. So let's open OBS Studio, which is a free pro tool that you can use to live stream events. And from here, I want to click on settings. So if I go to settings on OBS Studio and then to stream, under service, select custom. And for the server and stream key, you can copy these from WpStream, so from your channel here. So let's go ahead and copy paste those into OBS Studio. And now that we have that saved, starts streaming, and that's it. You can basically be connected to your channel. And here's how my channel looks like, how my live stream looks like, and this is how everything under it looks like. So you have your viewers, your description, your tags, similar streams, categories, things like that. And as you can see, we don't have a live chat right now, but I've showed you that we did have a live chat in the beginning. So click on customize and go to live channels. And from here, you can enable show chat free to view better messages plugin. So we're using the better messages plugin to add the chat. So let's publish this page. Make sure you do that, don't forget. And here is how my live stream looks like with a chat. So I'm just typing something in so you see how it works. And better messages has so many different options to add mods and privacy settings and chat room settings and things like that, emojis, of course. So yeah, that's basically it. on how to add the chats as well. You can do picture in picture and scroll around the page as well so your viewers don't miss anything. And once we are done with our live stream, go back to OBS Studio and click on stop streaming. And that's basically it. So in about 5 minutes, a little over 5 minutes, we've just created our streaming website with no coding experience, by the way. And it's all free. And you can get this from WpStream.net. And you can also find everything down in the description. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos. Bye.